Hi there. How are you today?
Hi, I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks for asking. Shall we practice some English together?
Sure, I'd love to.
Great. Let's start with some basic greetings. Repeat after me. Hello. How are you?
Hello, how are you?
Perfect. Now, try asking me the same question.
Okay, hello, how are you?
Excellent. Next, let's practice introducing ourselves. Say, my name is Sarah. What's your name?
My name is Sarah. What's your name?
Wonderful. My name is Tom. Now let's talk about where we're from. I'll go first. I'm from London, England.
I'm from Paris, France.
Very good. Now let's talk about hobbies. I'll say mine first. I like playing soccer.
I like painting.
Fantastic. Now let's put it all together. Try asking me about my hobbies.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like playing soccer. How about you?
I like painting. It's relaxing.
You're doing great. Keep practicing and you'll improve even more. Would you like to learn more English next time?
Yes, please. Thank you for teaching me today.
You're welcome. I'm happy to help. See you next time.
See you.